today? You was on your phone and you was conversating with somebody and I overheard you was saying that other than your husband, you was the only other man I got inside of your life. So I just feel like you're cheating because other than your husband, other than me, who other man you got inside? I heard you saying though.
Well, honey, while I was there and you overheard that, I was praying. I was talking to God, right? Praying about shortboss. And only other man above you is God. So, one more kind of know me can just there praying. Now, who you thinking? I won't cheat on you, Anna. There's no need for me to cheat on you. And I do apologize for just talking. It sounds like I'm cheating on you. Okay? Okay. Are you okay with that?
So Kiki, you sure you didn't pray into God? You sure you didn't pray into God and say that God other than you, Shad Boss, is the only other man I got in my life? You sure was God you didn't pray into first? You sure? Because it ain't song right. Well, I would believe you, but you sure was God you didn't pray into?
Yes, I am very sure that is God I'm talking to. Was talking to.
Yeah. Well, if you say so.
And I'm not lying about that. Why would I want to lie?
Alright, if you ain't cheating on me, if you say you love me, how deep is your love for me? How deep is your love for me? I wanna know.
Shad boss, I love you. Yeah, bad. From the bottom of my heart, Shad boss, I love you. From the bottom of my heart, Shad boss, I love you.
Wait, you love me from the bottom of your heart? Who the top got space for? Who the top got space for if you love me from the bottom? Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share. I don't know, I'm bringing you the best of the best. Look out for the next video.